this is day 5 and we're set for breakfast. This one is a delicious one. We're going to have beetroot carrot smoothie.
Wow.
You add the beetroot chunk, you add it to the blender. And if you have a smoothie maker, better still, the carrots, then you peel the banana and add. Cut the avocado and take just 1/4. 1/4 is fine. Don't go beyond that, otherwise you might be taking too much part at a time. Then you add the soaked almond. This almond has been soaked overnight, and the soaked pumpkin seeds and soaked chia seeds. All these seeds are there to provide enough protein and fat. Remember to put your dates, just some spoons. These dates have been blended. Just add some spoons, equivalent of 3 days, maybe 6 spoons, and then grind everything together in Apara grinder. When you've done that, if you want it to be cold, you can add ice cubes and grind together. When it's done, make sure it's a thick consistency. Don't pour too much water. Then you can pour in a cup and put sesame seeds for topping. Delicious. I'm already imagining.
I can imagine. It's going to be colorful,
very interesting. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy.
All right, let's start the preparation for our beetroot and carrot smoothie. So we have all our ingredients ready. Chef Victor, are you ready?
I am set.
Okay.
I'm available.
So let's get the blender set and we'll start putting the ingredients one after the other. Fantastic. So first thing going in is our banana.
Okay. I mean banana.
3 pieces of banana.
Okay. Then what next?
Next thing is our carrots.
Carrots.
That's 2 sticks of carrots chopped so it can blend easily.
Just to get the 2 cup, right?
Yes, the measurements in the recipe.
Then what next?
And next we have our beetroot, which is one of the main ingredients.
Beetroot.
And there we have 2 balls of beetroot, which is the 2 measurements in the recipe, but we chop it to smaller pieces for easy blending. And that's what a whole beetroot looks like.
And we chop it with the bark.
Yes, with the bark. You know why we are not peeling the bark? To restrain the nutrients in it. And the next thing we have is avocado.
Avocado. Wow. So are we going to use the full dose of avocado?
No, we are using 1/4.
1/4. Okay. Just 1/4 according to instruction. That's it?
Yes.
Okay.
Then remove the back. There you go.
Okay. All right.
Good. And next we have our date seed. But we've already blended our date seed. If you don't have a blended date seed at home, you can soak your date seed and put it there. It will blend with the other recipes.
So at this point, I'm going to have maybe like 3 or 4 spoons?
Yes.
Okay. But as well add to your desired taste, right?
Because it's a sweetener.
Okay.
So it depends on how sweet you want
what
it
next
to
on
be.
the line?
And the next thing we'll be using is the almond milk.
Almond milk. Wow, fresh almond milk.
If you don't have the milk, you can use the powder. Right, Chef Victor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So what
And
next?
then we had our cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Like how
So
many
this is
spoons?
powdered cinnamon. If you have the fresh one, you can use it. If you don't have the fresh one, you have the powder one like mine, you can use. So we'll be using 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay. Makes yourself like 1
Yes.
teaspoon, right? Okay. So what next?
And next we have our chia seed.
Wow. The chia seed soak overnight, right?
Yes, soaked
3
to
days.
get a desired result.
Okay. That's how it look. Wow.
You see how it looks?
It's gone together.
I can feel the nutrition.
Wow. So like 3 spoons or
3 spoons
3
is
spoons.
fine.
Okay, it's fine. I love the combination.
Yes.
So now, what next?
So that all will be blending together. Do we need to add a little water?
Water,
Okay, let me get you some water.
Just add the water here.
Okay, we have one more too.
A glass of water, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And now we are ready to blend.
To blend, let's make our
Smoothie. Healthy smoothie. Cup. Fantastic.
Wow.
So we see how the beetroots bring out the beautiful color of our smoothie.
Wow.
So Shebito, let's serve
I
our
love this
smoothie.
color. I need the glass. I think I need one more glass.
Let's see. There's no glass there. Very thick, yummy, and I'm sure this will be very filling as well.
Wow. 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 Wow.
And don't forget your sesame seed, which is going to be a fantastic topping to this fantastic smoothie. So that's your second glass.
Wow. Fantastic.
And then we had our toppings.
Okay, I need a sponge. These
Sesame
sesame
seeds.
seeds, just a little of that. Oh my God!
Wow, that looks so yummy, and I'm sure it's as tasty as it looks. Try yours at home and let's see what comes out. Thank you.
Wow! Wow!